Hi, my name is Elizabeth Wright. It is November 9th, 2022. I currently live in New Hampshire. I was born and raised here. Some of my hobbies include skiing, hiking, going to the beach, being outside, running. The state has great mountains and has a lot of places to ski, and we have great neighboring states such as Maine and Vermont, which I also spend a lot of time skiing there in the winters. I enjoy hiking as well in the mountains. We have 48 4,000 footers, and I'm sure everyone's heard of Mount Washington, which I still have not hiked yet, but I've hiked about 23 of the other 48 4,000 footers. I am taking this class as a prerequisite in hopes to apply to a CRNA program. I felt that it was a good time for me to try to take the class, and I recently got married in August in York, Maine, and I've done about 3 years of nursing in an intensive care unit. I currently started taking over a more clinical management side of it in last year, the end of last year. And I have liked it. I've really enjoyed it. I've enjoyed working on policies for sedation and ventilator management. So those are my goals, and I am excited to finish this class. Thank you.